Alright, hey guys! So I haven't done a current favorites in a long time. I'm actually super stoked. I'm planning on doing favorites, current favorites every season. So right now is fall season and I love fall. I'm starting to think that I'm probably a fall and spring type of girly. What about you guys? But today I have quite a few things, actually a lot of purses to share with you guys on favorites, and everything from food, snacks, makeup, and clothing, and also a lot of purses. So let's just jump right into it. It's just gonna be hanging out with me, chilling, and I'll show you some of my favorites. I'm gonna try to go through this pretty quickly because there is a lot. But yes, share some of your guys' favorites in the description box because I would love to know your recommendations. And let's just get right into it. So currently I am wearing this lip gloss, and I'm finding now that I'm not quite the lipstick girly as much, especially being in Colorado. It's so dry. So I really gravitate to, you know, more of the lip glosses that give a little tint. And this is called Lifter Gloss with Hyaluronic Acid. And it's from Maybelline. This is a color. I think this color is so perfect for fall. It gives like a, it gives like a little tint, but it makes your lips look glossy. And it's so easy to apply. This is called Taffy 025. They're actually selling like a bulk of these, and like 3 of these at Costco. So I'm actually almost done, sadly. So I gotta get some more. I'm pretty sure they'll have it at your local CVS or Target or something, but if I can link something, I will link everything down in the description box. All right, so should we jump into, let's do like food real quick and then we'll do purses. So I don't have much food because we know that I am a basic B pumpkin girl, apple cider. So I don't have this because I devoured this, but one of our friends made some New York Times apple cider donuts. They are hands down the most like explosive, spice-filled dessert. Honestly, if you like spices, this will be your perfect dessert. So I'm gonna leave that in the description box. I don't have like a picture of it, but I definitely will leave that in the description box because you have to try it and it's so good. But something that I do have to show you that is food is tea. You guys, many of you guys are probably very familiar with the Trader Joe's Harvest Blend herbal tea. It comes out every fall and I stock up on it every fall. It has no caffeine. It is the perfect fall scent. I mean, honestly, it smells like apple cider with cinnamon and all these different spices. This is essentially fall in a cup. So if you have never tried this from Trader Joe's, check it out. The longer you steep it, the better, in my opinion. Is the lighting a little off? It's okay. Next, one more thing from Trader Joe's. This is the pumpkin butter body butter. Essentially, it's the same thing again. I buy this every single autumn, fall, and I go through it way past Thanksgiving. I get about 2 of these and they last a long time. Very hydrating. Smells like a pumpkin pie, but not too artificial. Actually, like, it's good. It's real good. Not artificial and not too sweet, if that makes sense. So definitely check this out. And the hand cream is really good as well. So that is all essentially the, well, I had tea and donuts and food and then makeup section. So let's get right into purses because I know you guys like that. As far as purses go, I have been wearing this so much. This is my Louis Vuitton Empriente leather and Noir bum bag. And honestly, I just think this color reminds you of like fall and Halloween. It's essentially black, but I do see hints of blue in it. You guys let me know what you think. It kind of reminds me of like witchy vibes and also like the nighttime fall night. I don't know, but I've been loving it because it's just really handy to, it doesn't carry as much as I would like, but honestly, I don't really need that much. So this has been very much a staple this fall. I haven't been wearing it as much as my other bags, but I definitely want to more, and I think it just goes well with the brown tones and all the like fall colors. So love this. I have a whole video like review, I believe, and like getting this bag, and I'll link that in the description box. But yeah, this is still going strong. Really like this. Okay, next we have a going out night bag, and it is this. Look at this. This is very affordable. What is the company that I got it from called? I don't know, guys. Okay, well, there's 3 purses that I got from this company. I'm gonna leave their name right here. I just really think that these bags are perfect for fall. So for night, this is a gold sparkly bag, and you can open it like this, and it has a lining. It's just like an affordable bag that's perfect for like a date night, and even like with this outfit. So I love it. I think it's super unique, and I have 2 more bags to show you. And both of these are all leather from the same company. And what I really like about these bags is because the colors so remind me of fall. And so, first one, look at this, Verona Hill. This is a brown, like the perfect chestnut brown bag, and it's all leather, gold, leather lined, and it's very affordable for an all leather bag. But most importantly, I really like it for fall because the colors are so perfect. It just reminds me of pretty much fall, brown. And then the next one, this reminds me of fall as well, but it also can go into the Christmas holiday season. So this is one of my favorite colors. It says Verona Hill as well, all leather bag. And what I'm excited about is that with leather bags, it's just gonna get slouchier and like softer and more rugged, and I love that about bags. But what I really like about this bag, the compartments, there's like 3 compartments in there, and I'm using it right now. But this is again a perfect fall color. It's hunter green, and then also it's a tote up and down, a lot of, you know, front pockets, indoor pockets. But the color, I'm just gonna wear this all the time for Christmas and the holiday season. But even now for fall, these colors, this green, this brown, and then these gold, it just reminds me of fall. So yeah, I will leave everything on the description box about these bags, and I'm not sure if I have a coupon code, I don't know, but I'll leave everything in the description box. But just check out these colors. They're just perfect for fall, and it won't break the bank. Alrighty, so that is all my bags. You guys, I knew I was gonna forget something. So I said I had a lot of bags. Well, I do. I forgot to mention this one. This is my hiking go-to easy grab and go backpack, and it is like this, like, what's it called, like kind of like a nylon almost, but like fluffier bag. And I've been wearing this hiking like all the time, but I also look posh and cute, and it's small and so cute. And then it has like a pop of color in the inside, which is green, and I have another book in there. But I've been using this like hiking, and it's perfect for fall. And I also love that I have like this matching bag that goes with it. If I don't want to carry the whole backpack into the store, I just take this out, my little mini purse, and they're both like great for hiking, and also honestly for like daily routine stuff. So this is definitely my favorite backpack right now. Wear it all the time. And this is from Beneunder. They have tons of different colors, very affordable, and also adjustable. You will love it because it's great for the outdoor girlies, or also for those girls that want to look like cool and casual and take it to the gym. So yeah, love it. We will go into actually books right now. So I joined a book club, and they like to read like historical, like kind of like more serious stuff. So on the side, along with book club, I like to do things that are like they go with the season. I just love reading with the seasons. This is actually a mid-grade, so younger than that book. It's like a middle grade book, and it's called The Undead Fox of Deadwood Forest. Both of these recommendations are from I forgot her name. Her name's right here. She is a book reviewer and I just love her style. But this book totally reminds me of fall. Like everything's like fall. There's mushrooms, there's falling leaves, and I really like it because it was such an easy read. But like with kid books, it has like good morals, and honestly, it made me cry. So like it was such a fast read, but it gave you like cozy, kind of like creepy, a little bit autumnal vibes. So I highly recommend this. And actually, I like to check out books from the library, and then if I love them, I'll buy them. So I'm definitely buying this to add to my my library. Okay, this one I have not finished, but I'm already telling you I love it. I'm like maybe 2/4 done. Oh, about halfway done. And it's a dark and secret magic. And this is basically, you know, it's witchcraft, but it's like, you know, it's not totally scary. There is like a little mystery magic in there. But what I really like about it is the way she describes the food. It's like you can actually like taste it, and also, you know, it's taking place during like Halloween, and so everything in here just feels like fall. So definitely read the description and reviews. I can't tell you if I'm like if it'll end well, but the reviews are very high, but it just gives you that cozy autumn vibe. But this one, I can vouch that it is very cozy vibes and has great reviews on it too. Going off of the book, I felt so inspired by this book, and it made me feel like so autumnal that I actually wanted to crochet a sweater that matched the cover of the book. So it just made me so happy thinking about like this book, and I just think that I got inspiration off of it. It's a chunky sweater. And I'm going to insert a clip right here so you can see what it looks like. But I did make the arms longer, and I did extend the bottom a little bit more to make it a little bit longer. Right now it's too hot, and I have like this like open style shirt, like a V-neck. And let's put the book together. What do you think? Do you think that I kind of nailed it? Like the orange is the fox, the blue sky, and then his like robe and the mushrooms and everything. I think it's cool. So I love this scrap sweater, chunky project that I crocheted. Love that. And you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with crocheting a fall scrunchie. So actually I just have like a plain black scrunchie that I crocheted this thrifted yarn with. It has like oranges and yellows and browns. Believe it or not, guys, if you want to learn how to crochet, this is probably one of the easier projects to do. It doesn't even take that long. So I can leave the instructions. I honestly have taught myself how to crochet in like a year or so just watching YouTube videos. So definitely highly recommend that you can make this. It would be a perfect gift. I actually might crochet these for some of my friends on book club. So yeah, fall vibes. All right, last category, guys, and I'll end it because I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I'm so excited to be sharing these things. So every time I think of fall, I always think of orange and purple, and obviously, you know, the falling leaves, but these have always been a staple of mine. I always reach for them during fall and winter, and all the time, like year round, but especially during fall and winter. And this is David Yurman. This is Citrine and purple Amethyst. And so the purple and yellow just totally remind me of fall. And then I also gravitate to ruby colored things. So this is another favorite. This is a all ruby and diamond gold ring that I got from, where did I get it from? I'm just gonna leave the name right here. I'm drawing a blank on all these names. And then lastly, these are my rings that I never take off. They're all gold. This is like my gold thumb ring right there, and then a gold 14 karat ring right here. I never take that off. That's from Lanier. And then this one is just gold vermeil and citrine, and that's again from Lanier. But all these colors just remind me of fall. And two more things before I go. So this is actually a thrift find. So this is actually my daughter's, but I want to share it because I'm gonna try to get something similar or borrow it from her. But this is a Guess watch that was for $3 at a thrift store. It's gold and silver. I think it looks so vintage and retro. It's like such a cool like watch. I definitely want to get that. Only $3 at the store, and it's a guest watch as well. So it looks very retro. Lastly, guys, I believe this is it. I want to end on a necklace, and I plan on making these necklaces in the near future. They are scarf necklaces, and you add like charms to it. This I got from a girl I was trying to support, but honestly, I was planning on making necklaces like this, and I bought it from her to support her, but honestly, I think it's a little overpriced. I think it's super cute, but a little overpriced. I'll put her information in the description box, but I'm planning on making tons of these because I have charms, and this one is a vintage charm, and then I have mushroom. There is like a starburst, and it was like made for me, and then like a natural stone, F for 4, key, because you know, real estate. I love fish because I wanted like a pop of color. So I love fish, butterfly, and sunflower. And these colors are so fall. And I'm glad I supported this new business, but honestly, like, the clasp is already tarnishing and stuff. So I plan to make these in the future. I might do a tutorial with you guys, or maybe show you guys some of that I make. But I'm going to make it a little bit more quality with probably some gold-plated, you know, gold-plated instead of, you know, because the hardware does feel cheap. And for $80, honestly, you know, I can make it for a lot less. But just wanted to show you like the style, and I encourage you guys to get creative and make some of these at home too. You can put it on your arms, but yeah, very, very fun. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my, let me just leave it on. I hope you guys enjoy my fall current favorites. I know it was a lot. It was very speedy, but I wanted to show you guys it. And that is about it, guys. I don't think I'm forgetting anything else, but I love you so, so much. Stay tuned for a daily jewelry collection video coming up after this video. And then I have a few more hauls. So, and then I'll have a winter current favorite collection as well. So definitely leave your comments below. Not many, there hasn't been as much interaction with you guys. So maybe it's me, maybe it's, I don't know, but I encourage you guys to comment and we can interact a little bit more. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you so much. Bye.